Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Fajra binti Abdullah. My entry number is PC24137. Today, I will present the company background of Rizda Fleet Ulu Kraton, managed by Rizda Estates Sdn Berhad. This facility is a key contributor to Malaysia palm oil industry. The mill primary function is processing fresh fruit batched into crude palm oil and palm kernel. This involves a systematic process including sterilizations, threshing, pashing, clarifications, and kernel recovery to ensure high product quality. Our operations are led by trained personnel with a strict focus on workplace safety and SOP compliance. Furthermore, we prioritize environmental management by efficiently handling mill effluents and solid waste to meet regulatory standards. Rizda Fleet Ulu Kraton play a vital role in the palm oil value chain through responsible and efficient processing practice.
In this project, Rizda Fleet was contracted in transport crude palm oil owned by Suburan Properties Sdn Berhad from Muazzam Shah Pahang to several refineries in Pasir Gudang, Johor, include Musim Mastika Oils and Fats, PGEO Edible Oils, and others. The contract duration is 2 years, from 16 December 2021 to 16 December 2023. Rizda Fleet provided 10 tankers truck, each with a capacity of 43 metric tons per trip. The company charged around RM34 per metric tons for accepted oil and RM70 per metric ton for rejected oil. A performance deposit of RM5,000 is also required in this contract. The scope of this project includes transformation scheduling, cost tracking, road planning, and communication and documenting management. Rizda Fleet must ensure timely delivery to prevent oil solidification, maintain tanker condition, select safe routes, and manage all operational documents. Cost management is also important, includes salaries, SORSO, diesel, tools, insurance, and other operational expenses. Proper planning of this aspect is essential to ensure smooth contract execution.
Okay, the next slide, we talk about project life cycle and challenges. The first one is initiation stage, which is setting project goal during the beginning has been determined to make the project successfully. The second one is planning stage. The team also prepare work plan, risk assessment, and delivery schedule to make the smoothest progress from one stage to another stage. The third one is execution stage, which is transfer material from the plantation area to the processing plant was executed following to the prepared schedule. 4. Monitoring and controlling stage, which is weekly report we are create to control the progress of operation and have early detected any problem. And the last one is closure stage, which is the project we are evaluate during the closure phase to review the work and assess any weakness for improvement.
Next, I will explain the challenge faced in each phase of our project and how we address them. In the initiation phase, the main challenge was land approval delay and uncertainty in return on investment. To overcome this, we conducted soil assessment and held meeting with stakeholders to ensure the project feasibility. Moving on the planning phase, we face issues such as back return and we see material costs. This challenge was managed by applying flexible scheduling and allocating additional financial resources. During the execution phase, the project experienced labor shortage and machine breakdowns. We solved this by carrying out daily monitoring and ensuring regular machine maintenance. In the monitoring phase, uneven growth and manual record keeping become challenge. To mitigate this, we conducted regular field visits and used manual data tracking to monitor progress. Finally, in the closing phase, missing documentation for evaluation was a challenge. This was resolved through management discussions to complete the final report. That's all for the challenges and mitigations strategies in each project phase. Thank you.
Okay, on this slide, I will be explaining about the achievement and non-achievement of our transportation and logistic project in the plantation industry. Okay, first of all, our project achieved several positive outcomes in transportation and logistics, including improved transportation efficiency, stronger coordination between stakeholders, better monitoring and tracking system, increased accessibility to road plantation, and meaningful skill development among workers. However, there are still several challenges that have not been fully achieved, which is include limited digital adoption, ongoing vehicle breakdown and maintenance issues, budget and resources constraints, delayed delivery during peak season, precision road and accessibility problems in the remote areas. Overall, while the progress made has strengthened operation, these remaining barriers highlight the need for continued development and long-term improvement. Okay, today I will share 6 recommendations to improve this logistic operation. And the first of all is encourage digital system usage. This does should train drivers and logistics staff to use digital tools, including systems that work even without internet. And the second one is improve fleet maintenance. A preventive maintenance plan and regular inspection will reduce breakdown and ensure vehicles are available when needed. Third is allocate more budget and resources. Extra funding will help expand the fleet, manage fuel better, and support daily operations. Fourth is increase capacity planning during peak harvest. RISDA can hire temporary trucks, use shift operation, or reschedule deliveries to avoid delays. And fifth is improve road accessibility and road planning. Working with local authorities to upgrade roads and planning routes based on weather will minimize disruption. Okay, and the last one is improve communication and SOP standardization. Clear guidelines, regular briefing, and proper communication will ensure consistency among all transport team. Okay.
Okay, next slide is project phase and purpose activity. The first one is identify project phase. Identify key project phase in managing transportation and logistics at Ulu Kraton, which is phase include initiation, planning, execution, monitoring and control and close out. The second one is explain the purpose of each phase. Each phase support effective logistic planning and delivery, which is ensure proper route planning, scheduling, execution and project completion. And the third one is analyze activity in each phase. Activity include vehicle scheduling, route planning, loading and unloading. And the four is evaluate the relationship between phase, purpose and activity are close interconnect.
Okay, so for this part, I'll talk about the project management software used in the RISDA Transportation and Logistics project. So basically, RISDA mostly use simple and common tools for their daily operation. Microsoft Word was used to prepare documents like reports and project records. Excel was very important because it was used to plan transportation schedules, estimate costs, and keep track of deliveries. Then Google Sheet was also used to so that officers could share and update transport schedules at the same time. For daily communication, WhatsApp was the main tools used to communicate with drivers and transport contractors. Besides that, GPS apps like Google Maps were used to help driver plan routes, check traffic, and estimate travel time. For example, Excel used to arrange vehicles schedules, and WhatsApp was used to inform drivers if there were delays or change in routes. So, using these tools helped the project run more smoothly. Communication became faster, transport schedule were more organized, and driver could choose better route to avoid delays. But if we compare the tools, Excel and Google Sheet are good for planning. but everything still needs to be updated manually. WhatsApp is very fast for communication, but it doesn't really record or track project performance. And GPS apps helps with navigation, but they don't manage the whole project. So overall, these tools are okay for basic logistic operation. However, for future project, RISDA could use more advanced software like Microsoft Project or a transportation management system to improve planning, monitoring, and reporting.